Hassan MP Prajwal Revanna, who was on the run on sexual assault charges, was arrested by the Karnataka police after he arrived at Bengaluru's Kempegowda International Airport late last night. After being informed about his arrival by the Interpol on Thursday afternoon, Special Investigation Team, Bengaluru Police and the immigration authorities had made preparations to arrest the MP from the airport itself. Interpol had issued a blue corner notice for Prajwal earlier this month following a request from the SIT. He was taken into custody by the SIT and then he left the country on April 27th, which was a day after the voting had already taken place in the Hassan parliamentary constituency. The flight carrying Prajwal landed in Bengaluru at 12:49 a.m. On Wednesday, he had filed an anticipatory bail plea at a local court, which adjourned proceedings to Friday mid-morning. The SIT was constituted by the Karnataka government on April 28th after Prajwal Revanna left the country amid the emergence in the public domain of objectionable videos allegedly involving him. Several of these videos, in fact around almost 3,000 videos that had come to the fore, allegedly also indicated instances of sexual assault on women. The SIT is investigating 3 cases of alleged rape, moreover, against the member of the parliament. Let's listen in to some of the reactions that's come into the story so far since yesterday night.
See, he has said, sir, I am giving fullest of cooperation.
Okay.
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay.
So next day ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Okay.
I just explained him how the court procedure should work.
Sir, he made many comments related to political vendetta against him. Did he speak anything about?
See, whatever he has spoken, it is already there on the media. I think I should not add or subtract anything what is already there. See, bail application which is now being pending before the court. Probably you have to wait and see what it will happen in the court hall. I would not like to. That's what I would not like to talk about what would be the fate of the petitions before the court. Probably you should come and see what happens in the court hall. Yes, whatever the infractiousness or otherwise, certainly we will consult. We will make a submission before the court.
You met him. What has he conveyed as of now, sir?
See, he has said that, sir, I have come forward. In fact, my whole purpose of coming to Bangalore or before SIT is that I have to stand by my words. I have come forward. I will give the fullest cooperation. These are his words. Probably he told me in Kannada and I am appealing in English. That's all.
ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ಮ್ಯೂನಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು SIT ಅವರು ಮೊದಲೇ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರನ್ನು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಊರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರು ಅವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I don't want to comment anything on that issue. He has to attend SIT. He has already mentioned he is attending SIT tomorrow. The SIT will take care of that.
The program of Shri Prajwal Revanna to go outside India is sponsored by BJP. On the day of 26th after polling, he was sent immediately with a diplomatic passport outside. And today, after all the phase election is over, it is come. Because last 10 days, if he would have come, in the media you would have showed his activity, where he is gone, when he is arrested, all the space would be taken away. That is why the BJP, Narendra Modi ji, Amit Shah ji, our Yediyurappa ji and our Vijayendra ji all planned together and sent Prajwal Revanna outside.
Well, with that now, let's also take a look at one other development that's very recently come to the surface. The mother of Prajwal Revanna has been issued a notice by the SIT in the kidnapping case. This was with regards to HD Revanna, remember. Bhavani's husband and HD Revanna were earlier taken into custody in the case and later released on bail. The case was registered following a complaint by the woman's son, who alleged that his mother was sexually abused by Prajwal. After the sexual harassment allegations against Prajwal stirred a massive row towards the end of April, the woman was allegedly abducted to prevent her from testifying against the JDS MP. This is according to the reports of the police. Bhavani's name was also mentioned in the complaint. This is the latest update that we are bringing to you. In fact, even earlier, when the entire case had erupted with regards to HD Revanna having gotten this woman, the woman whose son had come to the fore to speak out about the entire issue, had been kidnapped. Bhavani's name had come up yet again during that time as well. And now what we are learning is that Bhavani's name has been mentioned in the complaint yet again. This is the second time that her name has come to the fore with regards to this entire scandal. Let's in fact dip in and cut across to our colleague Wajiullah, who continues to be with us on the broadcast. Waji, well, do help us understand this. Bhavani's name had initially also come up during HD Revanna being taken into custody, and yet again we see that the SIT has called her in for questioning. If you could just tell us a little about her involvement in this entire case, or at least alleged involvement in this entire case with regards to the Revanna sex scandal. What was the role she is being alleged of having played in this case?
Well, Shreya, fresh notice has been sent to Bhavani Revanna to join the investigation, but she has responded to the statement saying that the SIT can come to her residence and question her. So that is something that will happen now. But if you look into the role of Bhavani Revanna in this particular, in this entire incident, the case against Bhavani Revanna is of kidnapping, and she's been, it is believed that she was involved in the kidnapping of the lady who had gone missing. The second FIR that was registered against HD Revanna and Prajwal Revanna and Bhavani Revanna was of the kidnapping. A particular victim was kidnapped. Her son had come to the Holle Narasimha police station in the night and filed an FIR. And on that basis, the SIT has now asked Bhavani Revanna to come and join the investigation, because if we look into the chronology and the evidences, one Satish Babu, who's believed to close confidant of the Revanna family, was also involved in this entire incident, and the lady who went missing was also believed to be found by the by one of the drivers of HD Revanna in their farmhouse. Is what the allegation is. So on that particular matter, Bhavani Revanna has been called in by the SIT right over here. This is the place where Prajwal Revanna is inside right now. This used to be the CID office, but now has become a makeshift SIT office for this particular investigation. As you can see, the entire media fraternity is over here, because we've been told that any minute from now, Prajwal Revanna will be taken for his medical at the Bowring Hospital, where all his medical tests will be done, and after that he will be produced to court. As of now, there is an anticipatory bail application of him that is pending in court. So that is a matter that will come up, and it will remain to be seen what will happen with the custody of Prajwal Revanna from here on.
Right, Vaji, thank you for bringing us all those latest updates into this particular investigation that has taken a new turn since yesterday night, with Prajwal Revanna making a return to the nation after 33 days of this case having surfaced.